And Annie just stood up on her own.
Completely.
I got that.
But we got the
Hi.
the thing going.
Hi.
In the cafeteria going downstairs now. Buddies is running it. That was a big help to Biggest smile, God, it was to Jamie at ABC.
What is it? What? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, what a big girl you are. 2 hands for Grandma? 2 hands?